Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Let's Talk. My name is Kumar Gaurav. Once again, I'm here to share with you an educational story that will be very beneficial for your future life. Let's move to the story. This story refers to three old men. Three old men. So let's move to the story. Once a lady came out from her house. She just saw there are three old men sitting in front of the yard. Three old men sitting in front of the yard. She asked, I don't think I know you all are, but I know you all are looking hungry. Let's come in and have something to eat. One of them asked, Is your husband at home? She said, No, he's outside. They said, No, we can't come in. She went back, and when there is evening, her husband came home. She just asked. She just told everything what had happened today. And then her husband said, Go and invite them all. She went and said, You all are invited. But one of them said, We never go anywhere together. She is surprised. Why? Why you are saying that? One of them said, Look at that. He is success. And pointing others said, He is wealth and my name is love. So in this way we can't go anywhere. Go and ask to your husband which one of us you want to invite. She went back, discussed about it. She told everything about what had happened outside. Her husband was very happy, very overjoyed, and said, How nice it is. Go and invite wealth. In this way, we will get wealth and our home will be filled with wealth. But wife, means the lady, disagreed about that. She said, No, we don't want wealth. We want success. So we should invite success. So when both were together talking about that, their daughter was listening all the thing. Their daughter was listening all the thing. She just suggested, No, leave it everyone. Just invite. It would be better. Just invite love only. Both were agreed about that because she was the daughter of them. So lady once again went and she just invited, means she just asked, which one of you is love? You are invited. So love stood up and started walking. Suppose started walking and he wanted to go inside. But when he started walking, two of them, means wealth and success, started following of him. And lady saw this condition. She surprisingly asked, Why you both are coming? I have just invited only love. One of them said, nicely said, You know what? He just said, If you had invited wealth or success, we never would go anywhere together. But you have invited love. That's why where there is love, there is wealth and success. So you invited love, so also we will join definitely. So in this way, you have to get one ideas, one message that will be where there is love, there will be definitely success and wealth. So students, The message of this story will be, if there is love in your family, the success and wealth there will be definitely. So always spread your love everywhere and you will get your success and wealth easily. So I hope you understood of this meaning of this story and enjoyed this session. Thank you very much. I'll see you later with a great motivational story that will be good for your future life. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.